almost killed me. Motherfucker, sneeze! You were right there! You were right in the tinty, tantalizing tip of my tongue! But you didn't come out. Oh wait. Sneezers. Sometimes you gotta sneeze. Sometimes you gotta do what a man's gotta do. It's a hard world out there. Lots of particles getting up inside your nostril holes. Jesus, like the sneeze almost killed me. Oh wait. Sneezers, man. They'll be the death of us all.